Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your today's chapter briefing session for chapter number 6. That is the name of the chapter, Working with Multiple Sprites. As we have discussed in today's class, we are going to learn about the name of the program which we are going to learn is Scratch, which we had done in our previous classes also, like in class 4, where in the beginning we had taught you that Scratch is a program which helps to learn the programming skill. ओके आप चाइल्डहुड में आपको प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल्स लर्न कराने के लिए वी हैड डेवलप अ प्रोग्राम नेम एज स्क्रैच which helps to learn the programming skills. Programming skills means how to develop a program which tells the computer how to perform the work. Programs programmer बनाते हैं by using the programming languages, and what is the motto? To develop a program which can be understood by the computer and can perform the task as per the given program. So in this program, in the previous class we had learned about sprite. We all know basically sprite is a character. By default, the character which appear when you start the program is cat. So cat is a sprite. Sprite is the character which performs all the action as per your given script, or you can say the command. Sprite आपके दिए गए script या command के according actions को perform करता है, which you had done in the previous class. After sprite, we have stage. Stage is the white area where the sprite perform all the action. Like you can see on the page, that is figure 6.1, that's a white area where the cat is standing right now. That's the stage where cat performs all the action, all the work, all the tasks, commands which you have given. Blocks. Blocks, that is the types of command are divided into certain categories. Motion block, control block, sense block, pen block. All these blocks consist of different scripts, different command. So आपके इन commands को different categories में divide किया गया है, और उन categories को हम बोलते हैं blocks. Palette is again regarding your script, regarding the scripts, which type of script you are going to use. Script area is the area where you will drag the command, and जहां पे आप different commands को join करते हैं, combine करते हैं to perform a task. So script area where you sorry where you drag the scripts or command from the palette to the script area where they are combined, they are joined, so that the sprite can follow those commands and perform the task as per the given script. This is something basic introduction of the chapter Scratch, which you had learned in class 4. In class 5, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn furthermore regarding the Scratch window. So as you can see on page number, I'll just open it up. On page number 63, we have the parts of the Scratch window, or the picture of the Scratch window, consisting of sprite header pane, block palettes, that is the different types of scripts which are available. You can change the blocks also. Script area, as I have told you, where you will drag the script, जहां पे आप scripts को join करते हैं. We have sprite, we have cursor tools, green flag and the stop button, along with the stage mode, stage, sprite. So we'll be discussing about these all parts of the sprite window, Scratch window. The first is your sprite cursor tool. Sprite cursor tool, as you can see on your figure, in say figure 6.1. Sprite ke upar, on the right hand side, we have sprite cursor tool. There are 4 tools or 4 buttons are available. Grow or shrink. These are used to increase or decrease the size of the sprite. Grow से आपके sprite का size increase होता है. Shrink से sprite का size reduce होता है. So grow and shrink are related to the size, to increase or decrease the size of the sprite. Similarly, delete, this is used to delete the sprite. If a sprite, if you are not requiring it, you can delete the sprite by using the delete button. And duplicate means copy the sprite. Same sprite एक और आप create करना is your duplicate. So sprite cursor tool is regarding related to the sprite. You can increase the size of the sprite, you can decrease the size of the sprite, you can delete the sprite, and even you can copy the sprite. After this, we have the next, that is your stage mode. Stage mode means the stage on which the sprite performs all the action. आप उसकी size को change कर सकते हैं. You can view that stage in 3 different manners. The first is switch to small stage. Switch to small stage, the size of the small stage will become smaller, like a small window. आपके मोबाइल्स में भी होता है. Sometimes if you open up a program, दूसरा प्रोग्राम ओपन करते हैं, then first program gets minimized in a smaller form. Similarly, you can also switch the stage to the smallest mode. The second is switch to full stage, means the complete screen will be covered. Now the script area, scripts, block palette, ये सब remove हो जाएंगे. Only आपका stage और उस stage पे मौजूद sprite will be visible. Rest, बाकी सारे parts आपके hide हो जाएंगे. The stage will cover up the complete screen. And then switch to presentation mode. Presentation mode means आपका slide mode, where one by one all the actions are being performed, like the slideshows, the presentations which you have seen in school, in projectors. So such can also be done by using the stage mode. After that, we have the sprite header pane. As we had discussed in today's class, sprite header pane discuss or tells you about the information regarding the sprite. Sprite header pane आपको sprite से related सारी informations share करता है. Like the name of the sprite, as it is being shown, sprite 1, आप जैसे देख सकते हैं figure 6.4, page number 64 पे. It consists of the name of the sprite. What is that name? Sprite 1. It also shows the sprite cat. It is showing the cat, picture of cat. That means ये आपको cat के बारे में सारी जानकारी देंगे. Other than this, we have certain buttons available on the sprite pane. The first is lock, means you can lock or unlock the sprite. आप sprite को lock कर सकते हैं. There would be no action that will be performed by the sprite. आप उस पे coding कर लीजिए. After that, you will unlock and the sprite will perform the action. So for certain period of time, आप उसे lock रख सकते हैं. Circular arrow, it enables the full rotation in a sprite. स्प्राइट का फुल रोटेशन, कंप्लीट रोटेशन अलाउ करता है द सर्कुलर एरो. लीनियर एरो, इट अलाउज द स्प्राइट टू ओनली फेस लेफ्ट और राइट. लाइक आपका कैट इज स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस, सो ऑलवेज इट विल फेस टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड, दैट द लीनियर एरो. एंड इफ इट्स फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड, यू कैन चेंज द व्यू. आप लेफ्ट एंड राइट व्यू चेंज कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग द लीनियर एरो. एंड द लास्ट इज which disables the rotation. When you have clicked on this, the sprite will not rotate. Sprite घूमेगा नहीं. So these are the 4 buttons which are related and which are available on sprite header pane, which tells you complete detail regarding the sprite, the name of the sprite, type of the sprite, and what is the position of sprite on the stage. The normal position, by default, whenever you will start the Scratch program, the normal position is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, means your sprite is available at the middle position of stage. Stage के mid में जब आपका sprite present होता है, तो उसका positional value x is equals to 0 and y equals to 0 से denote किया जाता है. After that, we have sprite list and stage icon. Okay, sprite list means the number of sprites which are available right now on the stage. आपके stage पे available सारे sprites का list आपको sprite list में show होता है. Like right now in your sprite list, figure 6.5, page number 65, figure 6.5. as you can see, it's showing only one sprite right now because अभी हमारे stage पे only one sprite is available. So sprite list will show you the number of sprites, all the sprites which are available on the stage, and your stage icon which tells you regarding the stage. आप background change कर सकते हैं, आप color of the background change कर सकते हैं, और stage का stage के background और stage के color को आप change कर सकते हैं by using the stage icon. I think that the description of the further parts of the Scratch window is clear to you. Now we are going to start with the topic how we can add new sprites. As I had mentioned in the class, to add a sprite we have 3 steps or we have 3 methods. Okay, to add the sprite, we can add the sprite from the file. We can add the sprite from the file. From the file means the sprite which is saved or the picture which is saved in our computer. Normally हम sprite किसे बनाते हैं? It's a picture or you can say a image. So as you can see in your computer, lots of image can be stored. So आप उन pictures का, उन images का भी sprite create कर सकते हैं. For that, what you have to do? You have to select the picture. Once you will select and import the picture, it will be available on your computer screen or on the stage. The second method of adding a sprite is paint a sprite. Means you itself will draw a sprite. Like आपके book में show किया हुआ है on page number 65. When you will click on paint new sprite, when you will click on the new sprite option, and from there a paint editor window will open up. एक paint window open होगा which will allow you to draw a sprite. Like they have just drawn a face or you can say a image of smiley. Now that smiley will be used as a sprite. So this sprite is drawn by you. You have created or you can say you have painted a sprite. So this is the second type by which you can add a sprite. One is you can choose the picture, you can choose the image which is already saved in your computer, that is selecting a sprite from the file. Second is painting a sprite, means you itself can draw the sprite and you can add them on the stage. And the third is get surprise sprite. Get surprise sprite. This will provide you a new sprite on the stage. You itself will not know कि कौन सा sprite available होने वाला है. But as a surprise, it will bring a new sprite on your stage. Like in the figure 6.13, when you click on the get surprise sprite, the sprite of an elephant head appeared. Okay, that's a surprise. आपको नहीं पता था elephant वाला sprite आएगा, but the program will itself select it and according to it, it will provide you the sprite. After this, we have working with multiple sprites. As I had told you in the beginning, to work on multiple sprites, let's say we have two sprites, sprite A and sprite B. Beta, you have to individually code on them. आपको individually scripting करना होगा. Okay, you will click on sprite A, then you will join or you will combine the scripts for A. If you want to have the script on B, आपको B पहले select करना होगा. What I'm trying to say is the script of A, B will not work on it, and for the script of B, A will not work on it until you combine them. So when you are working on multiple sprites, हम उनके लिए individual scripting करते हैं. पहले A का script किया, commands put up किए, and B के लिए अलग commands put up किए. So you can put up or you can say you can select the sprite and individually आप उनके ऊपर coding कर सकते हैं, scripting कर सकते हैं. Then we have changing the position of a location of a sprite. Simply what we have to do, we have to use the motion block or the control block. Okay, in that we have to, okay, by using the motion block or the control block or loop block, These blocks help a sprite to move from one place to another. Motion blocks में अगर आप white editable field में steps change करते हैं, so you will see that the cat is moving from one point to another. That means it's moving. Okay, so there are lots of script which are available in motion block, looks block and the control block, which will make your sprite move from one position to another. It will make them rotate. Everything is possible. That means the sprite will move from one location to another. After that, we have graphical effects. As I have told you, graphical effects means changing the appearance of the sprite. Sprite अपना appearance change करता है. Like there are graphical effects which are mentioned on page number 69. The first graphical effects, that is color. In this, the sprite will change its color. Sprite will not change. Color of the sprite will change. That's a graphical effect. Green, blue, it will change its color. The second is fish eye. Fish eye means it will zoom at some point, or it will zoom at certain part of the sprite. That's also a graphical effect. Whirl. Whirl means the the sprite will be turning towards the center. Sprite आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि वो अपने center की तरफ turned होता जा रहा है. Whirl. This is something like effect which will show. This is the graphical effect which you can see in whirl. Then we have other like pixelate, जिससे आपका जो sprite का image है वो blur हो जाएगा. Brightness, sprite bright हो जाएगा. Mosaic, sprite के छोटे छोटे images, multiple images आपको show होंगे. Ghost, sprite एकदम transparent हो जाएगा. These are the different graphical effects जो आपके sprite के ऊपर आप apply कर सकते हैं, जिससे sprite का appearance change होगा, but sprite is not going to change. So these are the topics, or these are the effects which you can put on sprite. Okay, these are the spatial effects. The appearance of the sprite will going to change, but the sprite is not going to change. Sprite change नहीं होगा, appearance, उसकी looking change होगी. And the last topic is adding a sound to the sprite. As we have talked about, we have lots of different animals, we have lots of different sprites. We can also assign them sound. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि आपका cat sprite will make the sound of meow or the cat. Similarly, dog sound, elephant sound, drum sound. These all sounds are available in the program, which you can embed, which you can combine with these sprite. आप sprite के साथ में उन्हें add कर सकते हैं. So we have a sound list in which different types of sounds are there. You can select them, you can embed them, and it will be available with your sprite. Students, this makes your chapter briefing for chapter number 6 complete. After this, I would be sharing the chapter reading session along with the practical implementation of the same. I would request to watch the video and please do the exercise part. Question answers are to be done in the notebook. One more thing, sorry I am being available in the t-shirt part. I had to visit some funerals, so after that due recording time, in the quickness I just have a t-shirt. I would request apologies for that, would be in formals for the next time. Thank you.